Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to retrieve your Mojang password just in case you forgot it for Minecraft Java Edition. Now in case you have logged into a new device, in case you want to log into a new device and want to download Minecraft Java Edition and you do not remember the password, here's what you need to do. You should not click forget your password, alright? So this is not resetting your password, but in fact you need to get it back, like retrieve it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But before we begin, if you're interested in growing your YouTube channel just like I am, then you'll definitely want to check out UBuddy. The link will be in the description down below. It is absolutely free and it's going to help you in running your channel really smoothly. And yeah, so now without further ado, let's begin. And firstly, what we're going to do is open up a new tab in Chrome, all right? And once you do that, what you need to do is click on this three dots over here. And then what you need to do is go ahead and find settings and then go ahead and click on it, all right? So now that once you're in settings, what you need to do is head into autofill and then go ahead and click on passwords. Now remember, this is important, and this whole thing is going to be blurred because I don't want you seeing any of my passwords. And what you need to do is click on search passwords, and then what you're going to do is search for Minecraft.net. all right, what you're going to do is go ahead and search for Minecraft.net. Now as you guys can see, so there are a ton of passwords over here, and they're going to be in dots currently. And basically what you need to do is find your find your Mojang account, and then what you're going to do is click on this eye icon. All right, this is basically to show password. You're going to click on it, and here's what it's going to show. So what you're going to need to do is type in your computer password. All right, so don't worry about this. So it's not asking you for any Windows key or whatsoever. You just need to type in your computer password. Now this is really important. So I'm sure all of you guys already know your computer password. If you don't, then I can't help you with that, unfortunately. And yeah guys, so this is how you retrieve your password in Minecraft. You do not have to go through the hassle of resetting it whatsoever. And with that, we have come to a conclusion in this video. So if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime, go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now, and I'll catch you guys over there. Now see ya.